Everybody, March 2nd, 2019, and I thank you for following the slideshow, a brief pause, and a live video using the Dollar Tree items, the jengas, blocks, the vase. Make sure you clean it and remove the sticker up here, the copper scrubby pad, and some Dollar Tree florals. This is called gypsum. It's really tiny, so you're allowed to add it to tiny things. And then now I braided some twine and I'm going to drape it around the cross. The inside is going to be very farmhouse style. I prefer for my kitchen, and this is going to sit on my dining room or on my kitchen table. All right, thanks for stopping in, and continue with the slideshow. Oh, and subscribe. Right, Everly? Mm-hmm. Say subscribe to our channel. Hi there, using fabri-tac. Remember, it dries clear, and hot glue will dry, but when you're bonding the bottom to the glass, you need a durable glue that is long-lasting and dries clear. I use fabri-tac for this project. You can use Craft 3-in-1 as well. You could use E6000, but E6000, once you apply it, you can't maneuver your crafts for a while. It has to set. Fabri-tac, it'll set within 5 minutes. Thanks for the little break, and continue watching the slideshow. When applying flowers, it's always good to start with the leaves and the darker leaves first. Gradually work with the lighter leaves, and then work your way up, poking the flowers into the foam. As the twine is your guideline, because the leaves will not glue to this. They will fall off. Glue it to the twine, okay? Let's continue. Hello, this is Miss Jonesy, and Miss Legacy is here. Miss Everly went home.
Hi.
Miss Legacy's going to stay the night, and this is still March 2nd, 2019, and I'm completed my Easter centerpiece idea with 100% Dollar Tree items. I'm not going to do much to the bottom, but I did cut the rest of the copper Brillo pad, and I'm just going to place this inside like that. So it does look like it's attached, but it's not. This copper really brings out a little highlight on the deco piece, but it's farmhouse style mostly. And then I didn't have any cotton flowers and stuff, so I stuck with the Dollar Tree flowers, and this is the top part. 100% Dollar Tree. Only takes about, 3 hours. And thanks for watching the slideshow. And stay tuned for photos and subscribe. I have a lot more Easter ideas for 2019.
And I got one of them dry thingies where you just move the dial and then it draws. I made a pyramid.
Yeah, I see that. That's called an Etch-a-Sketch. That's what I used to play with when I was a little girl. I found that at the thrift store for 50 cents. And so you're just getting used to it, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was what entertained me when I was a little girl, was the Etch-a-Sketch. Saved a lot of paper. Alrighty. Once again, subscribe to our channel and look for more Easter decor for this month of March. And once again, we send our blessings out to you and your family from us. It's not about the bunny. It's all about the lamb. Easter 2019.